Good job. Is that another one for you? Oh, yeah, look at that. Oh, now you're going to take off with your load? Oh, you need another one. He's picking them up like they're nothing. He said more. He doesn't like how it's arranged, huh?
You'd be a good packer, huh?
Like your daddy. One more, he said. Not that one. Yeah, pick yourself.
Rearrange it.
He's rearranging it, just like you said.
That's good.
Yeah, now you're going to take her. It's going to be a heavy load. You got a lot of pumpkins. Oh, no problem, huh?
No problem. Yeah, it's not heavy enough.
Yep, I need more.
Yeah, you're almost full. There you go. In the back.
In the back.
One more.
Oh, let's see him go with enough. Oh, we gotta get out of his way.
Heavy now, huh? So I better take one out. If I rearrange it, make that lighter load. Oh, that's such a heavy. Oh, that's a lot of pump. Yeah, take that one out. That one. Yeah, get rid of that one. That was the pump.